Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is Epson Workforce WF2950DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer is very compact, multifunctional printer with mobile connection. This printer, I have the option to auto two-sided print. This printer got rear paper tray. This is the rear paper tray is used in here. So rear paper tray, so you can load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, photo paper, and adjust it accordingly. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable option. But the USB cable is not included in the packaging. If you want to set this printer up, you need to connect it using Epson Smart Panel. This printer is using ink cartridges 604 or 604 extra large. I want to say massive thank you to those of you guys, first of all, who subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you a lot. It means so much. At the same time, also asking you to consider to subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow. Okay, that being said, let's crack on. This printer, what I want to show you is actually the overview, then show you how to replace or install the ink. This is the scanner, flat belt scanner for this printer, and this is the LCD screen. You switch this printer on and off from here. The power cable goes at the back. The power cable goes at the back here. If you are using USB cable goes in here. If you have any paper jam, you open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. At the center, once you're done, you make sure you close the door. You open this door by pressing this spring together, okay? And once you're done, just push it back inside and it's in. Okay, now this printer also got ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the ADF, allows you to scan multiple pages of documents in one go. Okay, so this is the ADF. Okay, now the printing speed for this printer, 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 for color. Now if you are printing two-sided, the speed is 6.0 for black and 4.0 for color. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi and print resolution 5760 by 1440. This printer is using ink 604. What we want to do is to show you how to install the ink, and to do this, you just need to open up the printer. Once you open up the printer, the ink cartridges holder is, once you switch it on, the ink cartridges holder will be to the position itself to the particular space it's supposed to be. And once you store the ink, then it will move away from here to the corner. Okay, so and there are stickers on top, so you just need to position the ink according to the sticker on top of each unit. Okay. Now each ink unit, so we'll start from BK, which is black. Okay, and I got the ink cartridges here. So this printer usually comes with set of ink cartridges that to go with it, and you have option for as well to ready print flex. Subscribe for from £1.29 or €1.99 a month and get ink delivered to your door. Okay, so this ink cartridge, the way it works, you need to pull off this air vent, pull it off. Now then you go in to the black, push it down, okay, and it's in. The next thing to do is you go with the yellow one. Go with yellow is the next. Okay, so pull off the air vent. If you don't pull off the air vent, this will not work. Then you go in. Also be mindful, don't touch the chip. Okay, don't go in, push it down. The next on the list is magenta. Okay, pull off the air vent, go in, push it down. The last but not the least, this is cyan. Pull up the air vent, go in, push it down. Okay, now the ink are installed. Okay, what you need to do is then close it. Okay, then the next thing is once you done that initialization, you select initialization start, install the ink cartridges for setup, then install the ink for setup that came with the printer, which you have done. Click OK. Okay, so now it's processing. Okay, you can see once initialization is, please wait. Okay, so what it's doing now is initialization is taking place, and it's going to take about 6 minutes. So once initialization, you just need to get ready. Once this reach to the end, it will tell you initialization is complete. Okay, so the next thing to do is for you to load the paper and complete alignment here. So this is how to replace or change the ink. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.